Hello, so I'm gonna show you how to create a website using Wix. So first you need to sign up using an email or your Facebook account. And then you want to start designing your website. You can let Wix create a site for you or you can customize on your own. So here are the templates that you can use for free. So I'm gonna choose this so I can show you how. So select quick edit and you can edit all of those that you want to edit. So for example, the text, you can put your brand instead. You can also customize each strip that you add. So you can put contact information and stuff like that. You can also edit the design of your contact information. And for the background, you can also change the picture if you want. So you have a lot of images that you can choose here. Now I'm just editing the brand name so it can be visible. To delete a page, you just need to zoom out and then select 3 dots and then you can delete it. And of course, you can also edit the header. And here are the last 3 steps so that you can finish setting up your website. Get found on Google and then answer a few questions. There is your SEO set up. Now go to business info and then just complete filling up those infos about your business, your location and contacts and stuff. And then after that, you can publish your website now. Congratulations, you already have your website. Here is the final look of your website. I hope this video was a big help to you. Like and subscribe for more.